I have allocated
Aneitu aliria arikinyereire ruhonge rwa ucirithania na mururumo munene igutha riria mucirithania munene David Maraga oigite no nginya rihotomie mitungatire ya igoti kumana na unyihu wa kigina. Maraga oigite ruhonge rwa ucirithania rutingihota gutwarithia na mbere tabarira iria rurambikite mwaka-ini uyu igutha inene ari kwigucia kwa macira igoti-ini.
The cuts will also affect the rate clearance of the backlogs that we had promised we would clear by the end of this year. The strategy we had for the judiciary was to move judges and magistrates across the country to stations where the backlogs are heavy and for them to clear, and we were set and clear that we were going to clear those backlogs before the end of the year.
Oho Maraga oigite magoti 50 maria marambikitwo gutangikira macira manini matigukorwo magithie na mbere hamwe na urugamio wa uthondeki weru wa mitambo ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu thiini wa magoti niyo ICT.
This initiative, which is part of the judicial reforms, is also now a mirage, and the program will not continue. The Judicial Service Commission, which has a wide mandate, will be seriously affected. From 891 million shillings we requested, we only have 64. The other effects of the budget cuts include the suspension of all mobile courts across the country.
Thiini wa bajeti iria iriga guthomwo ya mwaka wa 2018 mwaka wa 2019 Minista wa kigina Henry Rotich agaire ruhonge rwa ucirithania kigina gia ciringi bilioni 14.5 ukirigithania na mwaka wa 2017 mwaka wa 2018 kuria magairwo ciringi bilioni 17.3 utiganu uria ni wa ciringi bilioni 2.8. Kuringana na Maraga tabarira iria irahuragwo njeki-ini vengia thi no nginya ciambe irugame kwa ihinda ari hamwe na waki wa igoti ria Kigumo, igoti ria Injinia, igoti ria Moro, Karatina, Nyeri gatagati ka mangi otiga bengi nene ya thi itikirire kumateithiriria kibesha. Na kungikinyirira gutiri undu wa naihenya ugukorwo ugiikwo niguo kuimbaimbiriria kigina giki ni kuga Akenya maya gukorwo magieterera kwa ihinda iraya hari gutwithanio kwa macira maria mathiete na mbere gukoma igoti-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitagwo Maina.